In this video, I will show how to use Spark to macrocyclize a molecule. In the Spark wizard, I will choose the macrocyclization option to guide me through the experiment setup. I will download a BRD4 crystal structure complexed with a non-macrocyclic ligand, 5-UEY. I will let Spark choose the protonation state, and in the protein editor, I will choose the ligand as my reference, then delete the waters, then import as a protein. I will click Next, which will let me choose which parts of the ligand I want to cyclize. I will click on a ring carbon, which displays the hydrogen which will be replaced. Then holding Control, I will circle the ethoxy group. These groups are in proximity in the crystal structure and can possibly be linked together. Additionally, the ligand is partially solvent exposed in this part of the binding site, offering sufficient space to accommodate additional linker atoms. I will click Next to move on to the attachment point condition panels. To bias linker design towards existing chemistry, I will force Spark to only accept oxygens at the ethoxy side, but I will leave the other side unconstrained. I will click Next. There are no more ligands to add, so I will click Next again. The protein structure, which is used as an excluded volume, is already loaded, so I will click Next. Finally, I'm going to constrain the field points of carbonyl and sulfonyl groups, as these form hydrogen bonds with the receptor. By adding constraints, these field points must show up in the results. I can now click Finish to wrap up the initial experiment setup. I now have to choose which fragment libraries to use. I will search the Chembl Common, Very Common Commercial, and Common Commercial databases. I'll press Start. Now that the experiment is complete, I will show you a few of the best scoring results that contain several macrocycles that are related to a known macrocyclized ligand. The ligand from crystal structure 3-UEX is hit number 59 and is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. If you have any questions or would like more information about using Spark, please contact support@cresset-group.com.